Hello guys, good morning. I'm here outside checking our grapefruit. Look, yan, see? Yan. Tinanim ko itong grapefruit I think 6 years ago, before sa pandemic. Tingnan mo yung mga bunga guys, look. Wow, parang oranges na. Hindi siya masyadong malaki. Hindi gaya yung the first time. Yung first time na mga ito. Naku, ang dami at saka super laki. Look. Parang ano lang siya. Kasing laki lang siya ng oranges. Look. See. This one. Look guys. Look at this. Look. See? Wow. Masarap ito i-ano sa ano guys. Sa sugar. Sa sugar pa. Yan. Oh, shout out pala sa mga lahat ng mga members sa Pauline MM Vlog. Thank you guys for the love and support. And of course, thank you sa mga solid supporters ko sa live streaming. And shout out kay Boss Jesse Penario, my member super chatter. Shout out to Aisha Channel, my member super chatter. And shout out to my solid supporter Bet TV in London, and my channel Kadongog in Saudi ka ba? Saudi ka ba, kapatid? Oh yeah, I think she's in Saudi. Ooh, look at that. Susu. Wow. Look at that guys. Oh, wow. Wow. Nandito ako sa ilalim ng ng grapefruit. Look. Naku, mahirap pala mag-vlog na at the same time wala kasi akong tripod. Look. Oh. Look at that. Shout out to my VIP member, Kuya Gado Official, and also to VIP my silver member, Kuya Money TV. Shout out to my VIP member, Ma'am Flor, Perfina's Kitchen, Sir Transic Official. Punta ako dito. This one here. Look at this. Look at this guys. So it's not ready to pick. Ano pa? Kind of green pa. Look. Wow. Look at this. And look at this guys. Oh. See, there's another one. That's a big one. Look. There's more. Look. Wow. Yan ang ano ko. Ano ko guys yung almost ako na sa bato. Ako. Dito ako magano. Look at that. See, yan ang from the ground, look. Yon. It's not that big. Look. Parang orange tree lang siya. Look, it's nice and sunny. Look, nice and sunny. Shout out to sa lahat ng mga supporters ko. Salamat sa inyong pagsuporta. Salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.